Hey everyone, Jay here, and welcome to our Python lab number 5. This time I'm going to give you a flowchart and you're going to turn it into code and turn it back in. So let's get started looking at this flowchart. I'm using a program called Raptor, and Raptor is pretty cool. You can do not the most complex flowcharts right now, but when you do them, Raptor will actually run the flowchart itself like a program, spit out some outputs, take some inputs, do whatever it is that you've programmed in there, and follow along step by step, slowed down so that you can see it and you can learn how this works. So it's a pretty awesome program. Um, and let's do our first kind of simple flowchart with this and talk about what it's doing and why we have to do things a little bit slower for the computer than we kind of do with our own brains. Okay. So we always start, first part of any program just has a start and an end. That's going to be provided for you by Raptor. You're going to have the start and the end. And then you can drag and drop these other components down into place and give them some values. Okay. So first one I have here is an assignment operation. I'm declaring my initial variables, right? So I have variable 1, and I'm going to set that value to 5. So the wrong number. I'm going to set variable 1 equal to 5. Okay, that's it. Done. Next, I'm going to take my temporary variable, temp variable, assign that 3. Done. Next, I'm going to assign variable 1 plus the temp variable into variable 1. Okay, so variable 1 equals variable 1 plus temp variable. Done. And last, I'm going to output the value of variable 1 to the screen here. And that's it. That's going to end. That's it. Nothing fancy. I'm not doing any text formatting, nothing. Let's play it. Step 1, 2, 2, 2. There it is up here. I put the 8 in here, right? Hopefully you can see that 8 is there. It took the 5 plus the 3, put it in the variable 1, output variable 1. Done. All right. So there will be links in your resources to find and download the Raptor program. We can use that for a little while doing some flowcharts. It's definitely better than drawing them by hand. And it's super powerful, and you can debug these unlike any other normal flowchart drawing program, right? Uh, so that's it. Turn this flowchart into some code, turn that code in. You also see a copy of this flowchart in your assignment. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.